Of the infinite trading method, infinite money, infinite vibes. We start trading at 5 seconds, so we have the CCI set to default, RSI set to default. Well, it's relative strength index and commodity channel index, right? The both have halfway points. If they're under the halfway points, we sell. If they're above the halfway points, we buy. So here, both are under the halfway points and we sell, right? The trick is to not expect every trade to win. You're like, Shamoy, what do you mean by that? It works off probability. So the probability of you losing, let's say, a bunch of trades in a row, and then it's very low, right? And then when you finally win, you make back everything you lost. So here we have $2, which would give you $1.82 profits. And if $2 loses, we do $4, which we have here in the amount. And $4 will give you $3.81 profit, which is your $2 back plus $1.81, right? So you initially never lose, right? And it's a method you follow these steps, right? 2, 4, 9, 19, 41, 184, right? It's currently 2:10 p.m., 2 in the afternoon. Markets are moving 1.06. This is up, so we buy it for 4 because both indicators give you an up signal. Right after 4, we do 9. Right, so we started at 2:10. We're going to stop at, let's say, 3 o'clock or 2:40. All right, the date today is the 19th of July. This video will be posted one day after the 19th, which would be the 20th of July, right, at 2 a.m. So, there's a video that uploaded now, which would have been the day before, and so on and so forth. It needs time to upload, so you get the idea. So here you see that the past 2 minutes, we have 2 losses going. Initially, we sell here because both indicators are indicated to go for a down. And the next one in line is 41. If you're questioning what I'm following, I'll show you in a sec. Currently following this here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, the right times to trade are from weekdays and Saturday. Do not trade on Sundays. Or just trade weekdays and don't trade on the weekend. Take your days off on the weekend. Do not trade OTC. Right, OTC is not to be traded, so you trade when the markets are moving during the week, which is Monday through, well, Sunday evening through Friday evening, right? Ultimately here, 4, 5, 6, you see we make back $8.20, which is $2.20 profits here, which is very amazing. Rain is following where I'm at, which is nice. The weather is nice, the weather is beautiful, the earth is nice, the earth is beautiful. So we sell here because both indicators give me a signal for down, and a down signal is a good signal. So initially we wait for this trade to finish and we wait, right? So even if this trade loses, we do 4, and as you can see, $4 gives you back $3.81, which is $1.81 more. And this trade looks like it's about to win, so we do not have to follow up. And this is how ultimately the infinite money trading method works, right? So this trade won. We made $1.82 profits, and we wait for the next trade. It's currently 2:13, and we're going to stop trading at 2:40. Right, a dollar for 40 minutes is $40, so you get the idea. So we buy here for 2 again. Every 5 seconds you make a trade. Every last 5 seconds you make a trade, right? And you just wait the following 10 seconds to trade. So here our $2 is about to lose, and that's fine because we follow up with 4. And 4 gives you back $3.81, which is your $2 plus $1.81 profit. So ultimately, you can never lose with this trading method. You can continue to trade and continue to make money as long as you want. The times to trade is from Monday to Friday. You do not trade on Saturdays and Sundays because that's when the markets are closed. I mean, you could still have OTC, but OTC over the counter is very risky. You don't want to risk your money OTC, right? You just trade during the week, and that should be more than enough, way more than enough. And you could trade for as long as you want during the week. You don't trade after 6 because the market's closed then. So we buy here for 4 because both indicators give you a signal for our buy, which is very simple, very easy, very beautiful. All right. Nice. So this trade can lose, it can win, it doesn't matter because we have something stored up for that. And if 2 loses, 4 loses, then your next one should be 9, right? And $9 gives you back $8.20, and 4 and 2 is 6. So 9 gives you back $2.20 profits, right? So you always end in profits. You never really lose. You can never have bad days with this trading method. You can literally change your life with this trading method. Right? Understanding your potential and understanding who you are. You can literally do anything you want in this world. As long as you could think about it and as long as you work every day towards your goal, you would get to exactly where you need to be. You have infinite potential to do whatever you want. Right? Understand that. But it's up to you to work on your dreams and work on your goals. You thick and thin, you can never give up. When you start, you never go back on what you want. You push forward no matter how hard it gets because it's going to get difficult. It's just how life is set up. But you can overcome every adversity that is shown at you. Everything, you just wait. The rain is falling right now, and you know that the rain doesn't fall forever, right? The rain falls, it droops the plants down, and then they grow back even stronger. The adversities and the hardships of life are all put there to make you stronger. It's based on your perspective. If you think there's a bad thing coming out of it, then you're going to act as if it's bad. But if you think that it's a good thing coming out of it, then you're going to find the good in it because understanding that everything has a meaning and everything has a purpose, right? You can use this trading method to make money and to change your life, right? Infinite potential, infinite possibilities, the possibility to do whatever you want in this universe, right? You don't believe that? Then look around you. Look at the computers you use. Look at the cell phones you use. Look at the vehicles you drive. Look at the headphones you use. Look at everything that was once an idea in a human's mind turned into creation, right? You have the power of creation. Every single one of you, every single thing you see around you is a creation from God or creation from man. It's ultimately understanding that we were granted that power of creation, but I guess there was powers put in place to make you underestimate yourself and make you think that you're less, but in reality you're not. You're the strongest and you're the bravest and you're the smartest only if you work towards it. Education is very important and it's never too late to educate your mind. And I mean, the younger you are, the better, but the older you are, the also better. The older you are, is the more you would understand, and the more you would understand the drive to do. I mean, young people waste some time because they don't get that. In reality, we don't have enough time, right? We don't have all the time in the world. Right? You have to do everything you need to do right now. You don't wait. You do it when you know you need to do it, and you get it over with, right? So yeah, looking at the trading method, we just won here 9 on 1, and then as 9 on 1 is 10.15. Here we make back $2.32 with the 17 when 19 won. So you get the idea. You never initially lose, right? You always win. You always win. 4 and then 9, right? So you trade from Monday to Friday. You leave Saturday and Sundays out, and you make money, right? It's all you need. It's all you need in your life. So a little bit of sauce. Understand your potential, right? This is infinite money method. Shall be posted on YouTube. This is part 14 of infinite money method, right? And yeah, this is about it. All you needed to know. You have the RSI, relative strength index. This is called IQ options. IQ options is options trading, and options trading is simple, simplified. You don't have to go through the nitty-gritties of forex. Forex is just for when you need to buy and hold a position. So let's say it's open here. We go into forex, or we go into stocks. Let's say we go into stocks, and I have an Apple computer and an Apple phone, so it would make sense for me to I'll show you. It's okay for me to go buy the apples. I'm gonna buy for. Okay, so our trade just lost, right? I'm gonna buy for 3 here. Just buy the markets, cause why not? Cause I have Apple stuff. So basically, if you have Apple products, why not invest in Apple? You feel me? It's invest in what you have, and then we have the net profit or loss here from this trade, but that's okay. Right? And I'll show you, right? Over a period of time, you will see. It doesn't matter whether the Apple stocks go down. I plan on buying Apple products. So basically, it's investing in yourself, right? You know that you like Apple. You know that you will buy Apple. How about you buy an Apple stock and chill, right? There's the same thing goes with Spotify, Nike, Visa, Amazon, Snapchat, Instagram, every one of them, Pinterest, Netflix, Coca-Cola, Google, Tesla. You know what you use. Just buy what you use. It's simply put, by what you use. You're basically going to be putting money into your own pockets by doing so, right? Because ultimately, if you know you love a product and you have such a. So here, see that 19 lost? So 19, 20, 34. Here we make back 37, 4, 5, 6, 7, $3.38 with this trade, and we wait for 5 seconds to make this trade with 41. After 41 is 87, but so we sell here for 5 and we wait. I will be right back. And as you can see, we're in profits. Say yes, sirski. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So we have to go back down now to $2 because that's the reset. Ultimately, you always reset back to the original 2, and you buy here for $2 and you wait. It doesn't matter whether it wins or lose. Understand that it doesn't matter. The winning or losing is not what matters. It's the adventure and what you do along the way, right? You will lose, 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 lose. But if you keep, the only time you ultimately lose is if you give up. You only lose if you give up, right? Understand that you can never lose if you continue to keep pushing P, keep pushing forward, right? Never go back on your word. Never go back on what you know you need to do. No, never go back on what makes you feel satisfied. Actually, push yourself. Push yourself to your utmost limit, right? This is where you gotta push past your limit. If you don't, then your path ends here. Believe in yourself. Share positivity. There's no reason to be negative in this world. There's none whatsoever. Share positivity. Share love. Share. You're in control of your own fate, right? You decide. You decide what you want to do, right? You ultimately have the power to change your life. If you do the things that you know you need to do every single day, you do the things that you know you need to do and understand your potential. Understand that you're limitless, you're not limited, right? Your brain could learn literally anything it wants to at any time it wants to. Understand that, right? So yeah, we bought our Apple stock at the 1 hour mark. Let's see what it looks like at 5 seconds. It's giving me a dip, but I bought it. Okay, so our $4 just won. It gave us back our $2 plus profits. All right, so we go back down to 2 and we wait patiently, slowly but surely, one trade at a time. All right. No such thing as too fast, baby. There's no such thing as too fast. We need to conquer the cosmos. We do not have time to waste on these everyday things. We have a lot more we need to do. Do you get that? Do you honestly get that? Do you honestly get that our job is to conquer the cosmos, not just stay on this earth contaminated by evil and maliciousness? So malicious, right? It's right in front of you. Right in front of you. You know examples of it? Us running oil pipes across continents and cannot give people water that we know need water, right? That's the malicious, right? That's the malice. That's the negativity, right? Abortions. Why are abortions even a thing? Oh, I don't want to have a baby. I should have pro-life, but understand that people look up to you, and if you don't have a baby and 1 million people look up to you, that's 1 million people not having a baby, just as slavery, right? If you plant doubt and you plant fear in one person's mind, that person has the potential to influence millions of people, whole generations for years of that same doubt, that same fear just being passed down. That's not okay. That's not fine. Abortions are not cool, bro, because understand that you could have been one of those kids and you wouldn't even have the choice for an abortion, to be very honest. No cases are of killing people good. You don't solve problems with problems. That's brain dead. Jesus, man. Oh, I got raped and the baby is his, but the baby's also half yours. And the baby does not need to die for that, right? You do not solve a problem with problems, right? That's fucked up because that baby could grow into something very, very much infinite because infinite potential. Understand who you are, right? Understand that you could literally change this world if you have to. Any one of us could do it. There's a planet for every single human being on this earth. Single planet, and not just the human beings, right? The ones to come, the ones before, and the ones after. We could control time if we really wanted to. We haven't tried, so we haven't gotten there. But what happens when we try? So we sell here for 9 because both indicators are down, even though it started shooting up. We sell and then we go to 19 and we wait. Right, give it a little zoom and pay attention to what it does, right? So yeah. So remember, relative strength index, commodity channel index, both have halfway points. Right? When it's above the halfway point, it's a buy. When it's under the halfway point, it's a sell. Understand that you wouldn't always win, but understand that with enough money on your account, you are always able to chase and are always able to get to where you need to be. Right? So here, sell for 5 or sell for 19, sell at 5 seconds, right? If 19 loses, then we do 41. And if 41 loses, then we do 87 and so on and so forth. Right. You know what? We're gonna stop at after this trade finishes. So you got the idea of the infinite trading method. You get what it is. You get what it stands for. Right. So this trade wins. Well, we hit one more lick, one more devious lick. Let's hit one more lick. So yeah, 2. Alright. Wait, what? Did we lose coming in here? No. I have no idea. So we're selling here for 2. We're waiting. Okay, that would make sense, given that you made that trade. This trade, right? Where is it? How do I get to this point? Right here. Right here. So we bought this for $22.70. And we're just holding this position until didn't realize that's what I did. So ultimately it took profits from here, right? It brought it back down because I have here that I made 409, but so we buy here for 4 and we wait, right? After 4 comes 9. Yeah, we're ultimately waiting for this last trade to, 765. We buy here for 9 and we wait. Even if 9 loses, we have something in store for that, which is 19, right? Ultimately understanding that you can either trade like a business or you could trade like a psychopath. And trading like a psychopath is just, trading the whole $10,000, and that would be very not good initially. Nothing good comes easy, right? So even if you had a hard time trading, even if it was difficult, understand that you only lose when you give up, right? Nothing good comes easy. Understand that when you get to the point where, when you get to this point where you can literally make money anytime, you would understand what trading is. Then you would get it. Then you would understand it, right? 6, 5, we sell here for 19. 19 would lose. It doesn't really matter if 19 loses or not because we have something in store for that, which is 41. You get the idea, right? Patience, the movement here is 0.001% change over the last hour. Is that it? Percent change, session change. Change per session is the percentage by which the price of an asset has changed since the market opened. If the asset is closed, the time to the last active trading session is taken into account. I got no information from that, or my brain did not process that. If your brain did, comment down below, like, comment, subscribe. This should be the last trade of the day. Even if it's not, we have something in store for that. So EURUSD gives you profits of 91%. So is this gonna win or is it gonna lose? We'll see. It doesn't matter whether it wins or loses, but it matters the experience. So boom, shoot up. 3, 2, 1, pew. Oh man, it lost. Doesn't make me sad though, because understanding that trading was made for money, to make money. It wasn't made for just anybody to try to jump on and try to make money, right? It was made to make more money. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Speak positive. Oh, wait. That's nice. Hopefully it keeps shooting down and it doesn't bounce back. I mean, the session changes one, so that means the sessions are actually moving, right? So the next one in line, if 87 loses, we do 184, right? And 41 and 9 is 50, 60, 75, and 79, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $4.31 off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get the idea, right? Infinite trading method, infinite money. Take you to the moon. Understand that? So yeah, that's a dub. That's our timer right there. Like, comment, subscribe, comment where you're from, tell me where you're from, right? This has been Infinite Trading Method Part 4. This has been your host Shamoy. To infinity and GG.